guys, for today's video ay ano ako guys, mag-prepare ako ng lulutuin ko ng pakbet, kalabasa Magluluto ako ng dinengdeng na kalabasa, pumpkin guys. At ito ay pipilok ko siya. Guys, kalabasa. Tapos lagyan ko ng okra. Magluluto ako ng dinengdeng guys. Kalabasa, okra, talong. Ang susunod guys is ito, dahon ng ampalaya. Gagawin ko dito ay ito, dahon talaga guys. Yan guys, bitter gourd leaves. Masarap to guys, ididingdeng. Lalagay ko doon sa may dinengdeng. Life dito sa province ay simple lang guys. Kung ano-ano na lang mauulam guys, mga ganito, dahon ng ampalaya, yan. Ganito ang life dito guys. Ito na guys ang aming ulam. Ito na yung ko kanina guys. Ito na yung okra, kalabasa, at saka dinengdeng guys. Ilalagay ko sa may. Lalagyan ko ng ano ba yung tawag doon? Bitter gourd at saka puros. Yung mga shrimps na maliliit. Dito ko nagluto guys sa may apoy. What? Yan guys. Ampalaya. Yan guys.
Ang mga gagawa naman pa kalabang kasta na.
Takpan natin guys, lutuin ng 5 minutes. Ibublo ko yung kasi wala apoy. Ganyan ang buhay dito sa province o Pangasinan. Yan guys. Hi guys, ito na yung process. Ayan na siya oh. Ayan ang ating ulam, aming ulam guys, yan. Simple lang, guys. Oh, sarap yan, yummy. Kain na guys. Wow, sarap guys. Dinengdeng. We call this as a dinengdeng guys. Kung saan siya matanda, lagyan ko ng uwan. We call this as a dinengdeng guys. Yan, ang ulam namin. Ayan, ulam niya. Kain na guys. Unahin ko ang ampalaya.
If you have a problem like this at home, here enters the tile and it's edge warped. No need to crack tiles or walls or hire someone to repair it. You just need this tile empty rubbish. You can fix it at home without having to pay someone to fix it. It comes with a metal needle that can rotate 360 degrees, whether it's a narrow gap or a shed area. It's super accurate for applying glue with it. Spray repair glue into the crevices of the tile. Then wipe off the excess glue. Wait until the repair glue goes in and hardens. Easy and convenient to repair. Stronger than cement. All tiles, 4 tiles can be used. Waterproof. Toilets also can be used. Formaldehyde-free and odor-free. Feel assured to use. Special offer.
Delicious.
You can try it for free. You can get a refund if it is not strong.
Kalabasa.
If you have a problem like this at home, here enters the tile and it's edge warped. No need to crack tiles or walls or hire.
Oh. Sarap guys. Sarap. See you guys. Susunod.